Starlit skies, just let it flow. Warmth of base where dreams can grow. Crisp beats echo in the night. Feel the rhythm, hearts taking flight. Soft whispers dance on ocean waves. Shadows merge in melodic gaze. Fingers trace on skin like art. Every beat, a brand new start. Lose yourself in endless groove. Subtle melodies make you move. Soulful voices make the sound. In the space where love is found. And bottom part of us, let it flow. Subtle melodies make you move. Soulful voices make the sound. In the space where love is found. Breath of night, cool like silk. Rhythms touch smooth as milk. Lights and shadows start to blend. In this moment, time won't end. Close your eyes, just feel the beat. Night surrounds you, soft and sweet. Echoes linger, whispers pure. In this heartbeat, find your cure. Lose yourself in endless groove. Subtle melodies make you move. Soulful voices feed the sound. In the space where love is found. And bottom part of us, let it flow. Subtle melodies make you move. Soulful voices feed the sound. In the space where love is found.
In the forest of dreams we wander late. Barefoot steps on the earthen gate. Mud on our souls, sunshine on face. Finding freedom in this boundless space.
Whispers in the trees, secrets unfold. Where the wind sings stories untold. Ancient rhythms in the heartbeat of night. Stars above us shining so bright.
Feel the pulse, the world alive. Dancing shadows in the moonlight thrive. Through the silence, hear the song. We're connected where we belong.
Hands entwined in the twilight's grace. Echoes linger in this sacred place. Breathing deep, the air so pure. Knowing love in the simplest allure.
Nature's chorus sings harmonies true. Rhythmic patterns under sky so blue.
Life's embracing every step we take.
Unity born from the paths we made. Feel the pulse, the world alive. Dancing shadows